How to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you how to fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. So let's begin right away. The very first option that I can suggest is to use your antivirus software. So go ahead on the search button right here and search for your antivirus so that you may be able to scan and remove unwanted software or application since there is a virus in which it will force your Google Chrome to use the Yahoo search engine instead of the default, which is Google. So once you have done that and then it still doesn't work, go ahead on the three dots right here on the upper right corner of the Google Chrome and click on more tools and go to extensions. So once you're in extensions, what you're going to do is to remove the unrecognized or unfamiliar extensions right here. So for example, I don't know this one and I don't um, use this extension as well as I haven't downloaded this extension. Simply click on remove right here and click on remove once again. And then for the next step is to go to that three dots once again, go to settings and then go to about Chrome, I think, or is it so just search it right here, the reset. So you just look for reset and cleanup. So you may either choose cleanup computer or restore settings to their original defaults. So you may choose restore and reset settings if you want to. And then go ahead on search engine and make sure that the search engine used in this email address, this address bar is Google and not Yahoo. So click on Google and manage search engine as well. So delete these unwanted websites. So delete it, delete and delete. So once you have deleted it, make sure to maintain the google.com, press back and then close your Google Chrome and open it once again, and that's it. That's how you can fix Google Chrome search engine changing to Yahoo. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.